Hey guys, welcome back to the Noble channel. Today we're going to be installing our exhaust hole cover. So if you are running a single exit exhaust, whether it be the Noble exhaust that we just unveiled or something else, you're going to have this gaping hole over here because the car was designed for the factory quad tip exhaust. And while the single exit looks great, the big gaping hole in the bumper doesn't look so great. And so we have an ABS plastic to keep this as cost effective as possible. This thing is very durable. It's a nice flat finish, so it's gonna kind of blend in with your factory diffuser here. And all we're gonna do is sit this into this exhaust hole cutout, and we're gonna install this with some self-tap screws. So super easy install, very cheap, and very effective. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna bring you guys in and show you the quick install. All right guys, so this thing came with 4 self-tap screws, and all we have to do is line this up. You kind of have a little bit of freedom as if you want it back or straight up against. As long as the holes are both going to be going through the factory plastic, you should be okay. I'm gonna set this back in just a little bit, probably right about there. So I'm gonna go ahead, grab a provided self-tap screw and put it in the first hole. So one thing to keep in mind, I am using the impact driver here. If you're using an impact driver, just be cautious. You know, the self-tap screws, if you power them through too far, they'll just sit there and spin and get loose. So we're gonna go ahead and just do it nice and gentle. And that's it guys, 4 self-tap screws and your exhaust hole is covered. And just so you guys know, we do sell a left and a right side. This is obviously the right side, but you can buy the left side as well if you have a right side single exit, or maybe if you got a bumper exit or something like that and you want to fill up both holes, you can do that as well. I'm going to leave a link for both of these in the description, one for the left side, one for the right side. And guys, we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.